we will see RFQ and quotation process in SAP MM. When we will go for RFQ process, suppose there is a requirement for material M100 and we don't know who is the supplier is and what are the favorable conditions, we don't know. To know the suppliers and the conditions of purchase, what we'll do, we'll initiate RFQ process. Why a RFQ? To determine the most favorable conditions, request for quotation from several vendors. Vendors means suppliers before you procure material for the first time. Correct? The RFQ process consists of two steps. One is RFQ creation and issue, quotation entry, price comparison. Then, if required, we can send the rejection letters. What we will see, create request for quotation using ME41K, print RFQ ME9A, maintain quotation ME47, price comparison using ME49, print rejection letters using ME9A. Okay. What are the following documents for RFQ/quotation? It can be converted into purchase order. Subsequently, we can do the goods receipt and invoice receipt. Okay. RFQ screen areas. We have initial screen, header detail screen, item overview screen, item detail screen. We'll go to okay. What are the initial screen? Header detail screen. We have item detail screen, item overview screen, and we have to generate the RFQs from the item overview. Okay, what we'll do? Okay, what we'll do? We'll do the exercise. We'll do the exercise. Now we'll create RFQ in the system. Let us go for system demonstration. Go here. What is the transaction? What is the transaction for creating a request for quotation? That is ME41K. We can go through this: logistics, materials management, purchasing, RFQ, then request for quotation. Double click this. Here we have to choose the document type. We have chosen the document type, and there are few document types, and we have chosen the document type, and we give quotation deadline as today only, and purchasing organization PER1, purchasing group P01, and press enter. Client is PL01. Here we came to item overview. In the item overview, enter the material, enter the RFQ quantity, enter the quantity, RFQ quantity. So we are seeking, and what is the delivery date we have to give? We have to give the delivery date as this. Yeah, delivery date this. We have entered line item M100 and quantity is RFQ for 100 each. And in the header of the header details, we have collective number. We'll give collective number as CN1, collective number 1. And if you see, we have, these are the screen. Initial screen we came, and we came to item overview screen, and we have item detail also. Item detail also we can go and see. Okay. And we have header screen. Header is header detail screen. Now go to item overview, cancel this. Item overview, select the line item. If there are multiple line items, you have to select the line item, header, supplier address. Click on that. Here we'll put one supplier 1100. This supplier, press enter. And once enter supplier details came, just select click on save. It will generate one RFQ. RFQ number will be displayed here. One RFQ 6003. And next we'll go for another supplier. Press enter key, and we have to click on save. Another RFQ is triggered. Okay, that is 600004. And another supplier will give 110011. Okay, this is, press enter, and you have to click on save. And once, for the required suppliers, we have sent 3 RFQs. We have chosen 3 suppliers and we have sent 3 RFQs. That is up to here. And once it is done, we have to click on exit. Okay, after creation of RFQs, what we have to do? We have to send the RFQs, right? We have to send the RFQs. What is the transaction? ME9A. ME9A. ME9A we have to go. Go on. ME9A, that is messages. ME9A. Okay, 9A, we go here. Here, remove the members and purchasing order, and you have how many RFQs we are getting? We'll see. We are getting more RFQs. Okay, what we'll do? Document number. We have seen it, it is from 3 to 5. Okay, execute, we get. Okay, see the message. Okay, okay, what we will do? Display message. This is a, it will show RFQ. Okay, can you see quotation deadline? What is the delivery date? Everything we got it, and we have requested for M100 for quantity 100 each. Okay, like that every supplier will have. If you look at the message, we can see supplier name, details, everything. Can you see business partner one like this? Supplier, this is RFP number, purchasing group is P01. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to send this for all the suppliers. Okay, select all, and we have to click on output message. Then it will be processed. All are processed. Green tick has come. That means R. And what is the output type is NEU. Can you see here? Message type also you can put NEU. Now if you type now, zero. But if you put the processing status as completed, successfully processed, now we can see that. All three will come. Okay, these are all successfully processed. What is the message type? NEU. Okay, now what is the next step? We have finished. We have created RFQ. When subsequently we have sent the RFQs to the supplier. What is next? Next one is quotation. We have to maintain the quotation. How will maintain? Go to here. Request for quotation or materials management, purchasing, RFQ / quotation and quotation. Can you see ME47? Maintain quotation. Select here. What is the first quotation? We have 3. So we select this. How much price we have to give? We'll see. Select the line item. This is for supplier 1100. Click on conditions. What are the conditions we have? Condition 10 euro per piece, 10% gross RA01 gross discount on net, and 100 euros is a freight. We maintain 10 euros as a gross for the first supplier, and next is RA01. RA01. What is the percentage? Discount on gross. Okay, RA01 10%. What is the next one? 100 euros is the freight for B1. Okay, select this for B1. 100 euros is the. Okay, we have maintained the conditions of purchase. These conditions we have received from the supplier 110000. He has specified these conditions. Okay, okay. He agreed for this delivery date. Go back here. Save the quotation. This is the quotation for this supplier. What is the next quotation? 4. What is the next quotation? 4. To select the line item, no need to enter the net price here. We can enter the conditions directly here. Select the line item, click on conditions. What are the conditions for the next supplier? 10 euro per piece, 10% discount. 10 euro per piece, 10% discount. 10 euro per piece and RA01, 10% discount. He has given only this. Freight is not given. Okay, we agreed with this. So he has supplied this. Okay, and select this. Save the RFQ. Save the quotation. And next, who is the supplier? 5. 5. Fifth one. Select the line item and conditions. What are the conditions he has given? He has specified 10 euro per piece per each or piece, both the same, 10 euro per each and 20% discount and no freight, and agreed for this delivery date. So go here, 10 euro per piece per each, and gross discount and gross is 20% he has specified. Okay, they have specified the 20%. Now go back, we have maintained the, okay, save the quotation. So what second step, we maintain all the quotations. Okay, we maintain all the quotations. What is the next play? Price comparison. How to do the price comparison is, let us go to system. Here, quotation, price comparison, ME49. Okay, double click this. Purchase 1. Collective number. We maintain collective number in the RFQ header, right? CN1. That is sufficient. As even purchasing organization also not it is required. Okay, let's keep that. And here what we have to choose? Mean value quotation, effective price for the mean value quotation. Mean value for quotation and determine effective price, include delivery. Okay, we will choose this and execute. Yes, can you see this? Inclusive of discounts and delivery costs. Execute. Okay, can you see? Now it has given a ranking. Number 1 came to this supplier. Okay, number 2, this supplier, this supplier. From here itself, we can maintain. Who is the rank 1? For rank 1 is 110011. Rank 2 is 110010, and this one. What we will do, from here itself, we can branch to quotation and we can send the rejection letter. Select this. Can you see R, rejection letter, rejection indicator? Select this and save it. And it will go back to price comparison. Now it will double click here. We can select rejection letter for this supplier and save it. And this supplier we want to proceed with. Okay, because of the price comparison. Okay, what we'll do, we'll go back to ME9A. Now price comparison is done. ME9A, we'll go to ME9A, request for quotation, ME9A, messages ME9A. Here what we have to do, don't give here. Four and 5. 4, 5. Message type, what is the message type? Message type is ABSA. It's a quotation rejection. Okay, select this and we can execute. We'll get 4 and 5. Okay, 3 and 4. Okay, now message type ABSA, execute. 2 rejection letters. Can you see here? Select this, display message. You can see the rejection letter for relating to RFQ. For both the suppliers, what we will do, we have to select and we have to put it in output message. You see, these are successfully processed. With this, we can complete RFQ process in SAP. Can you, yeah, please like, share, and subscribe.